Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're in Walmart. We're gonna go through all of the new Scoop, Sophia Vergara, Free Assembly, and Jessica Simpson. And if you like these videos, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and let's go shop. Back these cutout sweaters from Sophia Vergara, and at my other Walmart, they're completely gone. Like they were like fully stocked. Now there's like 2 sizes left. So these have that fold over turtleneck with the little side cutout. It's cable knit through the front, has that drop sleeve with the oversized relaxed wrist, ribbed bottom, that same kind of fit through the back, but it isn't cable knit in the back. I think they also have some other colors online. I'm only seeing the gold with the ivory in store, and they are going to be $30. Also new long sleeve dresses. Also new long sleeve dress from Sophia Vergara. So this one has that wrap style front. It's long sleeve sheer with elastic on the wrist. It's nice and flowy through the body, and then it has that same kind of fit through the back. That smocking goes all the way around. Comes in this black and beige print, also this black with the fuchsia watercolor, and they are going to be $34. New faux leather dress from Sophia Vergara. So this one has the thin straps, that V neckline, the little ruching. It's pleating, it's a flowy skirt, and then a V in the back, that same detail. This one is going to be $38. And then they also have this halter neck style from Sophia Vergara. So that has that plunging V, the seam detail through the front. It's squared in the back. This is the extra large, so it looks true to size. And these are $32. It is lined on the inside with this super soft stretchy fabric. They also have, just like the top, the cutout dress. So this one has the mock neck with this cutout detail. It's fitted through the wrist. It's a midi length with the slit, and then that same fit through the back. These are $29. Also seeing a new color in this trench coat from Sophia Vergara. So it has the oversized collar, lapel, double-breasted buttons, belt. It is completely lined on the inside. In the leopard, also comes in solid black, and they are $49. New crew neck sweaters from Free Assembly. So these have that crew neckline, the ribbing. It's ribbed at the bottom. These are nice, soft, and stretchy, and they are going to be $18. New sneak peek drawstring jeans comes with the belt from Free Assembly. So these are high rise. They have that side pocket. It's a flowy wide leg through the front, also in the back with trouser pockets, and these are going to be $29. Coats from Free Assembly. These have the smaller collar with the lapel, double-breasted buttons, relaxed through the wrist, really nice length. It is completely lined, and then the back has the same detail. It's a lot of weight to it. In the plaid also comes in the ivory, and they're $45. Crew neck sweater also comes in solid white, and then also purple and black. New flutter sleeve belted dress from Free Assembly. So this one has that higher neckline, flutter sleeve with the side seam detailing, elastic in the waist. It's pleated nice and flowy with the belt, and then the same fit through the back, and these are $36. New boat neck long sleeve tee from Free Assembly. So this has that higher neckline, a little bit of a drop sleeve, relaxed to the wrist, also in the body, in the burgundy with the purple, also black with the white stripe, and solid black, and they're $14. New faux fur coat from Scoop. This one has that oversized rounded neckline. How good is this? Has the finished hem. They are $64. This looks so expensive. Also new SHACKET from Free Assembly. This one has the smaller collar, 2 flat pockets, has the button detail on the wrist, full button down. It is lined on the inside. Oh wait, no, it's just lined at the top, feels like. Yeah, it's not lined. These are probably online only. Quilted coat from Free Assembly. This has that higher neckline, the drawstring snap buttons, has the elastic on the wrist, the drawstring at the bottom. Comes in the green. We also saw it in navy, and they are $34. The blazer from Scoop. These have a smaller collar, lapel, 2 flat pockets, that same oversized fit through the back, and these are $28. New color on the rib top from Scoop. So this one has the higher neckline, fitted through the body. It has the longer sleeve, same through the back, and the ivory also comes in green. It's like a hunter green color, and the black, and they're going to be $24. New dress from Free Assembly. So this one has that ruffled neckline, full button, has this smocking on the wrist, a belt. It's a flowy skirt. It has that same embroidering as we saw in the top option. And then the same fit through the back. This one is $34. Also new skinny jeans from Jessica Simpson. So these are a high rise. It's a nice thinner stretchy denim with their whiskering and fading through the leg. Skinny at the bottom. And then that same fit through the back. And they're $22.50. Also new denim from Free Assembly. So this one looks like a high rise. It has this same detailing with the cuffed bottom. It is that darker wash with pockets on the back. It says mid-rise cropped leg. And these are $29. New button-down shirt dress from Free Assembly. So now we saw this print in some other pieces. It has the smaller collar, full functioning button detail on the wrist. It does have some gathering. It kind of flows out at the bottom, but then it also has this belt to bring it in. And then the same fit through the back with that seam detailing going across. And this one is $28. Also a new style of front pocket jean from Free Assembly. So these look like they're a mid-rise. Let's see. They have the whiskering, the two front pockets, nice and relaxed through the leg. And then they also have pockets in the back. And they're going to be $29. Doesn't say if it's mid or high, but they'll be linked down below. Also seeing new colors in the lady cardigan from Free Assembly. So this one has the gold hardware, two fake pockets, two front functioning pockets, ribbed wrist, the ribbed bottom. This one is $28. So it comes in the white and then also this blue and white print. Also new are these slim fit cardigans from Free Assembly. So these have that crew neckline. It has a little bit of a drop sleeve, ribbed wrist, the ribbed bottom, full functioning buttons, and then that same fit through the back. They are $20. And then also seeing a new denim skirt from Free Assembly. So this one's a full button. It has that seam detailing, the side pocket. This one's a little shorter than that other option we saw. And then the seam detailing in the back. These are going to be $24. New button down shirt from Free Assembly. So this one has that ruffled neckline, full button, the smocking on the wrist. It scoops in the middle with the same kind of fit through the back. This one comes in the blue with the embroidered polka dots, also white with the polka dots, and they are $24. New satin button-down shirts from Scoop. So these have that mid-size collar, full button, the seam detailing going across. Also has the banded with the bell sleeve. It's a relaxed fit with the seam in the back, and the ivory also comes in black, and they're $22. Zip sweaters from Free Assembly. So these have the mock neck when it's zipped up, or that oversized collar when it's unzipped. The seam detailing, it's completely ribbed, oversized ribbed bottom with a little slit, ribbed wrist, and it is a balloon style sleeve. That same kind of fit through the back with the ivory and green stripe. Also comes in the gold, and they're $26. New jumpsuits from Free Assembly. These have a smaller collar, full button, belted waist, flat pocket through the leg. It's a relaxed fit. These do look like they're a little shorter, and then it does continue around the back with the belt and a little bit of elastic with pockets. Seam detail, and then how cute is that little button on the sleeve. Comes in the navy, also in the green, and they're $36. These jackets are perfect for an hourglass or pair, because usually these oversized jackets don't come out at the waist, but now you have that ability with the belt. So sneak peek item from Free Assembly. It has that mid-size collar, full button, the two flat pockets with the button on the wrist. Really good length in the dark indigo. Also comes in that ivory, and these are going to be $36. New jacket from Free Assembly. So this one has the smaller collar. It's a full button down, two flat pockets, also the lower flat pockets, button on the wrist, and these are probably online only. It has that seam detailing in the back. New cami with sweater combo from Scoop. So this is a shiny kind of knit material. Has a little bit of a thicker strap, scoop neckline, seam detail, and then it does come on a little bit in the back. These are going to be $20, and then the matching cardigans are a little sheer It's a full button down. It's a 3/4 sleeve with the ribbed bottom and the ribbed wrist, and then the same fit through the back. And these are going to be $20. Vest from Scoop. So this one's a nice like flowy material. Has the buttons. It's completely lined. That same fit through the back, and they are $24. Blazer from Scoop. This one has the smaller collar lapel. It's completely lined on the inside. Relaxed through the wrist with the button detail, and then it has the seam detailing in the back. These are $38. Pleated skirt from Scoop. It has that elastic waistband, has a high-low bottom. It's pleated through the front and the back. Comes in the burgundy also in black, and they're $28. The fold-over sweater from Free Assembly. So this has a side button drop sleeve, ribbed wrist, ribbed bottom. Comes in the green, also in the navy. I think I'm gonna do the navy, and they're $26. Favorite flare jeans. These are from Sophia Vergara. They're high rise whiskering. This is one of their newer colors, and then also the denim is a little thicker than usual, and then the pockets on the back, but the same amount of stretch. These are $24. This new puff sleeve tee from Free Assembly. It has that higher neckline. This is a poplin material with the embroidering. The t-shirt material through the body. It's stretchy with good length in the green. Also comes in solid white, and they are going to be $14. Also new denim skirt from Jessica Simpson. So this looks like it's a high rise. It has the whiskering, pockets, that seam detail, the raw hem at the bottom, and then pockets on the back. You can see it's also two-toned with the slit in the back, and they're $24.50. New flare denim from Jessica Simpson. So we saw this cropped option. Now they have the longer length. These are high rise. They have the whiskering. How pretty is that floral detail? And then the back also has that embroidering. And these are they are $29.50. Also new cardigans from Jessica Simpson. So these are a pointel knit. It has that ruffle trim, ruffle going down the front, and then the ruffled wrist. That same kind of fit through the back. This is small, so it's not, you know, fitted. It's more relaxed. In the ivory, also comes in black, and they are $26. Their neckline, they're sleeveless. Really nice length, kind of gives you a little bit of a flow out at the bottom, but it's more fitted through the top portion, and then has the keyhole in the back. In the new green floral, also comes in this black, and they're going to be $34. New print in the dress from Scoop. So this one has the tie front, smocking around the neck. It has smocking on the wrist, and then also on the waist, flowy, and then the same around the back. We saw this in the solid olive, and these are $38. New denim dress from Scoop. This one has the smaller collar, full button, elastic in the waist to midi length, button detail on the wrist, and then the seam in the back. That elastic does go all the way around. These are $40 in the black, and then it also comes in the cream. Seeing a new color in the scuba blazer from Scoop. This one has a smaller collar, lapel, the two flat pockets, ruched through the sleeve. These are super soft and stretchy, and then that seam detailing in the back, and they are going to be $45. Are these button down dresses from Free Assembly. It has the smaller collar, button up until the waist, elastic, pleated skirt with the belt. The seam detailing in the back in the green also comes in the navy, and they're $32. The scuba sweatshirt from Scoop. So this one has that crew neckline, drop sleeve, the banded wrist with the banded bottom, same kind of fit through the back. Comes in the black, green, and gray, and they are going to be $19. Sneak peek denim jackets from Jessica Simpson. These have that mid-size collar, full button, the two flat pockets, a little bit of distressing button on the wrist, and then how pretty is that embroidering? Also comes in this new dark indigo color, and they're $32.50. Trench coat from Free Assembly in the green. It has the oversized collar, lapel, double-breasted buttons, a side pocket, the button detail on the wrist. It is a shorter fit, and then has that same fit through the back. Lots of good details. This one also comes in khaki. They're $36. Black mock neck sweater from Scoop. So this one has that rolled neckline, has that side seam detailing, the little slit on the wrist. It's a relaxed fit. Comes in the black. They also have that purple. I think we also saw in like a peach tone. And these are going to be $28. I just ordered this jacket online. Certain sizes are as low as $15. So it's from Scoop. It has that oversized collar zip. It's a crop fit with the 2 flat pockets. Relax through the wrist. I'm pretty sure all sizes are marked down. They're originally $28. In store it's marked down to $21. So like I said, small I think is like $15. There's an extra small might be $14 and change, but the quality on these is so nice. With this cargo skirt from Scoop, it's high rise. It has the cargo pockets, a little faded with the slit in the front. The same kind of fit through the back. One tops from Free Assemblies have the elastic around the neckline. There is this ruche detailing. It's a balloon sleeve with the smocking, and then it's a relaxed fit with the little slits in the side and then a keyhole in the back. This one is going to be $20. High neck top we saw earlier also comes in this black and white polka dot, and it's also $20. Also seeing a new flutter sleeve top from Jessica Simpson. So this one has that crochet, the flutter sleeve, crochet and lace through the front. It's relaxed fit. This is the extra small with the keyhole in the back, and they're $22. New longer length cargo skirt from Scoop. So these look like a high rise, the nice stretchy denim, fading slightly, the flat pockets, 2 on this side, 1 on that side, no pockets in the back. It's maxi length and they're $28. The shoulder tops from Sophia Vergara. So these have the elastic with the tier, long sleeve with the elastic wrist, elastic through the waist. We saw this one last week, so this one's a little different. And it says 2 ways to wear, and these are going to be $24. Also a new faux leather pant from Sophia Vergara. So these are the Eden 90 Street, and they're $27.50. But I'm going to end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.